It's so unfair, the things you do. It's
Girls. I look like.
Oh my god, calm down, don't worry, you won't look like trash after. I mean, hopefully. Well, she's back. The one everyone prefers on this channel. Oh my god, if you haven't seen the videos of us doing each other's makeup previously, I will link them up here, but this is my sister Victoria.
Hi.
You know, she still hasn't seen any of the other videos that we did together. As popular as the word, she's like, I still can't watch
Disgusting. I
that.
don't want to see it.
Okay, anyway, so you don't have contacts in right now, do you?
You didn't buy any.
Oh, she
You're
can't
supposed to.
even see what's going on. Maybe that's a good thing. What I'm gonna do is, the makeup that I have on today, I kinda wanna see what it looks like on her. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do this half, and after each step, we're gonna do it one by one, like each step, and after each step, she'll do her own side. So, because apparently she got skill now, apparently she got skill now.
No, I don't actually.
Oh, but girl, bitch, off camera, she
I
was
know,
like,
I-
I wanna
oh.
see what did she say? My new skills, I wanna flex.
Actually, I was like
Actually, you were like, what?
lying.
So in front of the camera now, she's like, no, I can't do anything, bitch. And then off camera, she's like, I really want to be on camera again. We're gonna start off with base.
Can you do the left side? Because I suck at doing the side, but I could do the right side.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So first, we're gonna start with. Oh my god, this is way too.
It's like this.
Oh my god, no. All right. So we're gonna
You
start with
spit.
Sorry. Tori's got the hormonals right here.
Yeah,
so
it got worse after I took like birth
after I met you. After you took.
Wait, no.
Birth control.
No, because I wanted to try. It was probably gonna help my acne, but no, it did not. It made it worse. And I was gonna start an acne.
So now I
candy
just gotta get the
episode.
dick.
No, that's not the
Kidding.
reason why.
So I'm just gonna try to even out most of it. Victoria, look up. Just go try to cover her
No,
dark circles
I don't
prior
want
to be on camera.
Look at Lola.
My grandma's over here drinking her coffee. Actually, instead of at every single step, let me do like groups of steps. This
You're
is
only
really
putting on my forehead,
because that's really where your redness is. The rest of your face is fine.
right? Calm down, dude. Like,
Because you keep turning this way, but I can't see that side. So it's gonna end up fucked up.
I'm already.
Honestly, same. Now her forehead's gonna be tanner than the rest of her face. So
What?
right now it looks super it looks like it's too light for her, but it matches the rest of her skin. So once the foundation
You're trying to whitewash me.
I mean.
The forums.
Oh my god, right. What were they saying during that situation last year?
I didn't read.
You got a picture of someone eating popcorn and you posted on your Insta
Oh
story.
my god, I got
It's
hate for that.
Someone on the blog was
They're
like, wow.
She's trash like her brother.
She's trash like her
I was like, oh, maybe true.
We'll use concealer to conceal her dark circle. Come on, full coverage.
I'm
Oh man, you look like Mulan.
I'm white.
When during her little solo number. Who is the Mulan?
Why am I white?
Because the thing is, Victoria, she only ever uses dark circle color corrector. So that's like
Concealer.
where? On your dark circles.
Yeah.
But then she leaves the rest of it. And the thing is, your face is uneven color. Your forehead is just tanner than the rest of your face.
Okay,
Alright, anyway. Okay, your turn. Here.
I'm scared now.
You're scared? Why are you scared of like everything? We went to the convenience store and the
Oh
toothbrushes were on 2+1. If you buy two, you get one for free. And so you get an extra one for free. And my dad was like, okay, we'll get another one. Like she was having a panic attack getting a toothbrush.
When we ordered McDonald's and I had to open the door, I was about
When
to.
we ordered McDonald's, all she had to do was open the door and give him the card. She didn't have to even say anything to him. And yet she's like, oh man, I'm scared. I don't know how the fuck you're gonna survive in the real world.
I know.
Real world.
I don't want to be an adult. I'm scared.
Oh my god. Don't worry, it's normal to not want to be an adult, but it's gonna happen, so. And you're what, 16 now?
Ew.
I know, I'm 20. I just turned 26, so I'm just like,
Is this enough? Do you think this is enough?
yeah, I think so. That's what you have to do. Oh, Ken. Could you pass us some? Actually, no, I have some here. Never mind. Sorry.
Just wanted me to be in these videos.
No.
Boy, shut your.
Oh, bitch.
Wait, what is that for?
To wipe off your hand. I just wipe to wipe her hand from the foundation. She's like, oh my god, what is that for?
Oh shit. I guess. There's more product here than.
You think so? Okay, bitch. She is going, oh, okay. Come on, Insta Baddie. Wow, at least you're getting all blended.
That's what I did when I did your makeup. I just kept blending.
Because you thought it would save you.
It kind of did. A little bit.
Yes.
Did you only put this on my under eyes?
Yeah. I feel like the foundation covered most of it, but fuck it. The texture, you can cover the color, but the texture you're never going to be able to cover. But there is a little bit of redness left, so I'm going to use this Cosrx Blemish Concealer and try to cover up her sins.
Your skin was worse. It's
But
terrible.
where is she now?
Under the makeup.
Honestly. Oh, that actually covered a lot. Come on, bitch. Yeah. Actually, I covered both sides by accident. Oh well. Okay, I'm just gonna powder now. This is actually a powder, not a powder foundation, but there's a little bit of color in it, so you won't look too white casty.
Like you.
Yeah. Oh my god. Come on, full coverage queen. Oh my god. She's looking smooth, bitch. I want to set under your eyes first.
Oh my gosh.
Look like Sadako.
Look at that.
I'm just kidding. The girl from The Grudge.
Oh my
I love
god.
how a lot of people always call her The Grudge,
I remember
even
I
though
went to
the
school.
title literally has to do with the story. But whenever they refer to the girl with like the long hair, it's like, they're always
remember
like,
I went
it's
to
The Grudge. Girl, I was talking first, so don't act like I'm interrupting you.
I went to school without glasses, and this kid next to me, he looked at me really scared. He was like,
Why?
he was like, you look like the Grudge.
The Grudge.
And I was like, oh.
Okay. Why? Just because you had no glasses?
Yeah. Well, in my hair too. I don't know.
What the hell? Oh, because your hair is like long and dark.
And the
And you have like
lights.
the middle part.
Yeah, the lights were off in class.
Oh my
I look like a cake face. Okay.
No, you don't. Because the thing is, when you have texture like this on your forehead, and you do start to add makeup, even if it's thin, sometimes it will look thick just because you're covering it. And you know how the blemishes are kind of crusty on the top, and kind of the makeup gets stuck in it. It will look cakey, but there's really nothing you can do
My
about
face
that.
looks more matte than yours. I thought I'm copying your look.
I've had it on for a while.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm so glad that your brows look good now. I don't think we need to do them.
They look like strangers.
The fuck? I literally did nothing to it. Here,
What did you
wanna
do?
try anyway? You still have this much. I just fill in the outside corner to make it a little darker.
Why is it so small? Wait, is it okay?
Yeah. And then eyebrow mascara.
Wait, no, I think I already put some earlier.
You're supposed to start out bare face, Victor. Why are you putting all this makeup beforehand?
Oh, I did it way before you came home.
Here.
See, you
Wipe it off then, bitch.
ruined my life.
Honestly, Victoria, you were born after me, so if there's any lives that were ruined, it was mine.
No, I think I made your life better.
How?
Actually,
You made my YouTube channel a little bit better.
not really. Because it was already far gone. After that Kyla video, I felt so sorry for you.
No, you didn't. You're probably fucking laughing.
I-
You're probably related to that little image you posted on your Insta stories with the popcorn and shit. Should we contour now? I think we should contour.
Oh,
You're excited
I
now, but then
will.
now when it comes time to you doing your own face, you're like, oh fuck.
No, wait, no.
Once again, Victoria, you're like all the way in.
Because you keep scooting up at me.
I'm gonna fucking beat your ass, Victoria. Lip under the chin.
Oh,
Alright.
right.
My dad's like vlogging. He vlogs everything. He never posts it anywhere, so I don't know why he.
And it's annoying.
Mm-hmm.
He acts like anyone's gonna watch this video. You're not
Drag.
gonna do that.
Our own father.
Oh my god.
I didn't add enough, did I?
Yeah, okay. Come on, contour queen.
Not really.
Okay. So for my eyes, what did I use? I used like 4-ish colors. First, we're gonna use.
4.
Yes, ma'am. I use this burgundy shade first.
Oh, this is where I mess up. I already know.
Okay. There you go. Knock yourself out. If I were you, I would tilt my head back like this to open your eye. Yeah.
Ugh. You're a mistake.
I know. Oh, she's taking off the excess. Okay. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing because like 90% of this video is this. Actually, not doing too bad.
I know.
I feel like
not
eye
yet.
makeup. Huh?
Not yet. Oh no, I did that. We're so wrong. You didn't
No,
have
you
to
sure
tell me.
fucking did.
You didn't even have to tell me.
No. Then I used a really deep burgundy shade to add shadow on the outside and add dimension. So kind of out here.
You messed up.
You good? Yes.
Oh, I got punched in the eye. I'm like, my technique is like, it's a little rusty.
But this time you're practicing on camera, so if you fuck up, it's gonna be on the internet. Not like you're gonna watch it anyway.
I won't, I'm too scared scared of everything.
I think you're not putting enough.
Or maybe you messed up my side.
Okay, you have to tilt your head back, because when you do your eyeshadow like this, you can't see where you're putting it. You know what? You can be like those girls and just be like, I'll just put on false lashes. And it covers, it covers half the work, but it makes it look better. Maybe you should have used this mirror in the first place.
Oh.
So this is the cool version of that warm palette I used on you in that video. We're gonna take this cool brown and put that in that corner. I fucked up.
I know.
Not too much. Because if you put too much, you'll look tired and you'll really look like you got punched in the eye.
I'm already tired.
Oh, you look more tired. This time you really want to tap the bitch. It would help to have the product on the brush first. Oh, that is already too fucking much.
No, there's not. Oh, did you put it here too?
Just a tiny bit, like a minute amount.
Girl, your vocabulary.
This is actually going a lot better than I expected. I was really worried this was gonna get fucked up.
Me too.
But you're not doing that bad.
Because I practiced.
Good.
With Mom's. I was like, oh.
Oh, you did?
I found her palette and I was like,
What? Her Lancome palette that has so much of white shimmers?
No, it was Urban Decay.
Oh, my mom and my grandma always make me buy makeup for them, or either they take my makeup but they never use it.
Yeah, but
I don't know how, Edward. And when I try to teach him, no, I don't want to do that, Edward.
So then I take it.
Okay. All right, good. Next. So, okay. I'm gonna take this cool...
Damn it.
That nose though. Thank you, Dr. Treman. Just blend the outside. So you can just run this on the outside of your eyeshadow to blend it out. Oh my god, you look so fucking good.
I don't even know how.
You're actually doing a pretty fucking good job.
Really?
She's so excited. Really? You're touching your skin so hard that you put a dent in your foundation.
I can fix it.
It's too late, bitch. You already powdered it. You already powdered it.
I don't care.
You want to really wiggle it in your lashes. Left and right, yeah. Make sure you get the outer corners too.
Don't worry. Do not worry.
Victoria, you literally put a dent in your foundation, so I have the right to worry even a little bit.
Hey!
The outside too.
I'm trying.
Also the bottom lashes.
Yes, I know.
Oh my god. We get to do highlighter next.
Oh,
So
my favorite
excited.
part.
I'm so excited. Actually, no, we'll do that last. We'll do lips first. Look at the camera for me. Because the whole time your face has been down.
I know. Sorry. You got my teeth. You smudged it. I don't recall this part of my face being a lip. Doesn't matter, I'm just gonna...
Because you're putting this lip color on the other side.
It could be fixed. Unlike my head.
But like true. Your lips are tiny.
I know.
You got a big booty, but your lips. It all went to your booty. I put it on your normal lip and then I blend it outside your lips a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Why are you so hostile?
Because I'm hungry.
You didn't eat?
We ate a little bit. We had sushi.
Why are you complaining? Because I didn't eat.
We got you food, didn't we?
Where?
McDonald's.
That's breakfast! It's like 2. I'm
Oh.
hungry.
It's not even 2, it's like 4 already.
I'm hungry.
Oh, fucking
I messed
close
up.
enough. Let me finish your bronzer and your blush. A little bit on your forehead because you're looking a little pale up here.
This lipstick is annoying.
You have to let it dry.
I'm blending it.
Look at her hands. Look at her hands. What the fuck? Alright, she's doing my side now too, okay?
I was gonna say snatched, but not really. Is it okay?
I think you just wiped off the foundation.
It's kind of cute when you put it here.
Okay, I guess. Last but not least, bitch, the highlighter. Okay, you ready for this, bitch? I'm so ready. Oh my god.
I guess.
I didn't finish. Oh.
Okay.
How long is the video?
Your mom XD.
Don't worry, we'll have a close-up shot anyway.
Please don't. In
Where?
SpongeBob with a close-up.
What? Oh, or so they look okay, but then it's like a zoomed up, like high
Yeah.
definition. Like, all right, so there's the finished look.
It's so unfair, the things you do. So unfair.
Wait, did you even take a good look at your whole
No.
face? I think you did a pretty good job. You just got some of your mascara smudged on my side.
Oh, you did that.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
What next one?
You said that last time too. You're like, there's never gonna be a next time, but here we are.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye. Wait.
Is there anything you want to say?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, just end the video.
Okay.
That was so awkward. You better cut that out.
No, I'm gonna keep that shit. in
No.
there. Bye.
Bye. No, you're gonna cut that out.
I'm gonna keep it all in.
So unfair, the things you do. It's so unfair, the things you do. It's so unfair, the things you do. It's so unfair, the things you do.